I see the edge of day. Your grace leads every way. The ocean meets the sky. Your promise never dies. Through distance I can feel your presence calm and real. My heart begins to rise to stretch me on my side. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever I'll look in. Eternal horizon. Your light unfolds the sea, revealing destiny. Every breath I take, your glory wake. The morning fills my veins with hope that still remains. Your presence draws me near. I have no fear. You stretch me on my side. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever I'll arise in eternal horizon. Beyond the ends of time, your love will still shine. No ending, no divide. You're by my side. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint Your dawn begins to glow. I lift my eyes to see you shining over me. Your mercy fills the air. I breathe you everywhere. In silence I can hear your voice so near. Every shadow disappears as love draws near. Heaven's glow inside my chest, my heart finds rest. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of morning paints the sky. Your truth begins to rise. Each heartbeat sings your name, forever the same. I'm standing in your glow, and I will never let go. Your love's a gentle flame that calls my name. Every shadow disappears as love draws near. Heaven's glow inside my chest, my heart finds rest. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of light. Your peace like sunrise falls. I hear your spirit's calls. Let every heart ignite in holy light. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of breaking the night. Echoes of light. Waves of praise rolling through my soul. In the quiet of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every tide, a holy sound, your mercy all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering I'm here. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. When the dawn begins to gleam, you awaken every dream. Through the storm and through the rain, your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace, your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow, wherever you go. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Your spirit moves like ocean wind, new beginnings never end. Grace unfolding, hearts awake. Your love, the tide I take. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every whisper. River of mercy, flow through me. In the calm of early light, your grace restores the night. Every tear becomes the sea of what you've done for me. Your love like water pure, forever will endure. It washes all my pain again and again. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. In the flow I find release. You turn my fear to peace. Your whisper moves the tide with love inside. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your current pulls me near. I feel you here. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. Your flow will never end. You call me home again. I'm drowning in your love, lifted River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. River of mercy, flow through me. river of mercy. Heavy beats, deep praise in me. In the silence of the soul, your rhythm makes me whole. Every pulse a sacred sound, your presence all around. When the night begins to glow, your spirit starts to flow. Every breath becomes a hymn. I give it all to Him. You lift my heart so high, through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. When I dance beneath your grace, I feel your warm embrace. Every note a spark of fire, lifting my desire. Through the night your spirit moves. In your rhythm my heart grooves. All creation sings along to heaven's endless song. You lift my heart so high, through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. grace beyond time, endless divine. Before the earth began, you held the perfect plan. Through galaxies and stars, you knew who we are. Your voice that spoke the sky still whispers when I cry. You reach through every line, through every age you stay. Your love won't fade away. Forever you remain. Through joy and pain, grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time, grace beyond in silence you remain, the anchor through the rain. Your mercy won't depart, it guards my heart. 1,000 years or more, your love is still my shore. Forever I will climb. Grace beyond time, through every age you stay. Your love won't fade away. Forever you remain. Through joy and pain, grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time, the stars will fade away, but your truth will stay. I rest in your design, outside of time. Grace beyond Grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time, grace beyond time, endless divine. Grace beyond time. let your presence glow. Every shadow fades away when your mercy lights my way. I surrender to your hand where I understand. Every heartbeat sings your name. Through the joy, through the flame, your spirit moves so slow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Every doubt begins to fade. In your arms I'm unafraid. Grace like rivers finds its way through night and day. Your love moves silently, a sacred melody. I rest where peace can grow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Let it move within my heart. Your light will never part. I'm caught inside your grace, in your warm melody. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Glorious flow, let your presence glow. Glorious flow. Breath of dawn, carry me on. When the night begins to fade, your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold, your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been real.